Hi, I'm Doug Brown with ZimVie Dental. I'm Associate Director of Medical Education for the Americas. So ZimVie, we're here at Experience Anatomy with Dr. Kapitan and CIA, Clinicians Implant Academy. We've had a great opportunity to showcase a full arch cadaver experience, both from a prosthetic standpoint as well as surgical standpoint, from a variety of different oral surgery residency programs all throughout the Southeast. It's been great for the residents to come from their respective programs, come together here in a shared environment, learn from world-class educators like Dr. Kofford and Dr. Kapitan, share that experience at a clinical level in the cadaver lab, and really just share those experiences. It's been a great learning experience. I know the residents who have participated in the last couple of days have had a phenomenal experience, and coming from a manufacturer side, a partner side of things, this has been a really great experience to partner with the world-class educators, to provide the clinical armamentarium, surgical kits, instruments needed to put on this kind of training. It's really come together and been a great experience all around.